guys, welcome back to another video on my channel all about chilies. Today we're doing something slightly different, but just before we start, and when we start, I'm going to hand over to my dad to explain it to you. I'm going to quickly show you my plant. So as you can see, the leaves are starting to grow out of the top. It's got a nice firm stem, and it's looking like it's grown up.
It's coming on nicely, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to leave it to you now to explain what we're doing.
Okay, so today's pancake day, so we thought we would get a hot sauce that would be nice on pancakes. So we've got Viv's Kitchen Loopy Lemon Drop. And during the half term, you have been practicing the cube, watching Dustin Johnson doing chili eating competitions with his cube. So you thought you'd give it a go and see whether you could do it. So we came up with a challenge, didn't we, where basically you're going to have 5 minutes to do the cube, and every minute of the challenge you have to have a spoonful of hot sauce to put you off.
See how quick I can do it.
And to see how quick you can do it. So I'm going to time you.
Nice.
Yeah, and you're going to do the cube. So, do you want me to mess it up?
Yeah, so you mess it up, have a look.
Okay. So I'm not sure if there's a right or wrong way to mess up the cube. I'm just going to do it pretty randomly.
Sounds like you're messing it up a lot.
I'm trying to.
Remember, I'm using the beginner method, which means I can solve it from any angle.
Okay. Right, there we go. Don't touch.
Lovely. I won't. Can do.
Okay, right, so I'll get the first spoon ready. I'm going with a big spoon so we don't drip.
And also so it's more of a challenge. Do you think this sauce will run out?
I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so it's quite a big spoon, but there's quite a big amount of sauce in it.
Nice. Do you think I'm going to need the toilet after this?
Right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Can't touch it until I've eaten the sauce. Ready?
Right, ready. Go. Okay, so I'll get the next spoonful of sauce ready. This is sugar, yellow peppers, water, cider vinegar, lemons, 5.4%, pectin, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, lemon drop chili and salt. So get the next spoonful ready. 30 seconds now.
Why does this one have to be so hard? Why did you mess it up so hard? I'm not joking, man. Almost done.
.46 seconds.
Alright, let's go.
3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, that's the first one. That's 1 minute, 3 seconds. There we go. One minute 30.
Well, this is just off to a great start.
You're struggling. Come up to 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1.
Starting to get a little bit hot now.
Yep. Two and a half minutes. coming up to 3 minutes now. 2, 1, 3 minute mark. That's it. So you've got 2 minutes left of the challenge.
Done.
3 minutes 16 seconds.
And I only got to
Hey.
step 5 and 7 steps.
Well done, first
Happened to be lucky.
person to complete the hot sauce versus Rubik's Cube challenge in 3 minutes 16 seconds. How'd it feel?
I don't know. There's one tingle in my tongue.
Yeah, was that hot?
Kind of.
You're feeling it a little bit, but not too much, no?
Yeah.
Good, okay. Alright, 3 minutes 16 to complete the challenge. Do you want to say goodbye?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We're back in another video soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!